How to create own YouTube channel. First of all, we need to log into our YouTube account. Once we do this, all we have to do is click in the right top corner on our avatar icon. And once we click over here, we need to choose your channel. Once we do this, YouTube will take us to Create Channel website, like we can see over here. If it didn't take you to creating a channel, in the description of this video you'll find direct link to this page. All you have to do is click on it and it will take you to Create Channel website like you see over here. And here we've got two options. We can either create channel for our own name, so it would be our first name and down here our last name. And after we write it here, we need to click Create Channel and our channel would be created with our own name. However, if we want to create a channel for our business or brand or something like this, we need to click down here on this link, use a business or other name. After we do this, it will take us to creating a channel for a brand account. So over here we can type the brand account name, it can be anything we want. Let's say best apps in the world or whatever else you want. And then after we write the name, we click create. And as soon as we hit create, as you can see, the channel was already created. And that's it for today. Remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.